Welcome to JHEP's lesson on Kruskal's algorithm for AQA, Edexcel, OCR, MEI, not Wajet. First of all, Kruskal, through his algorithm, he's kind of like a greedy man, wasn't he? Because he never actually thought about the future or the implication that might come with choosing the path just not randomly, but just picking it out just because it's the shortest or the one that weighed less. And this is what Kruskal did. And what you just need to know for the exam is that whenever they ask you to find an MST, a minimal spanning tree for using Kruskal's algorithm, all you need to remember is that it's not the one that asks starting from A or starting from J or starting from D. That's Prim's. Kruskal's one, you can start anywhere. You start at the one where there is the least weight. And the MST is just basically the minimum distance pathway to reach all the points in the graph, as you will see in the next one. And a cycle, which you need to know, is that a cycle is just basically a series of connected graphs that, like in the circuit, electricity could just go all the way around, over and over and over again. It's like a racetrack. You can just go over and over a racetrack again. So this is a random graph that I just made, and this we're going to apply Kruskal's algorithm. So first of all, we need to find out the line with the least weight on it. The least weight means the less number, basically, or the shortest distance, if you really want to say that. And it's AC, okay, because that's 1. So what you do, you write A to C equals 1. And then, if you want to, I prefer to just mark it on, okay? It'll be easier, it'll be much easier in life for you to mark it on. So the next one is 5. But there are 2 5s here, and the thing about Kruskal's and Prim's, you can just choose it randomly. That's the best thing about decision maths. Just choose it randomly. So I'm just going to pick this one, A to B. So A to B, and that equals 5. Okay, I'm going to draw my line over here. And then I'm going to choose the other 5 over here, and that is C to D. C to D equals 5. I'm going to draw my line. This is just to tell me where my pathway is going. It's to remind me that if I make a cycle, I can't use it. But so far, we haven't made a cycle. If you try passing electricity through B, it's not going to end up back at B. That's an easy way to remember it. So from C to D, that's 5. Then the next number is 10 and 10. So let's choose this one, D to F. Oops. Let's choose D to F. And that's 10. So we draw or highlight. So it's useful to have a highlighter in the exam. And the next one is this one, B to C, which is 10. But wait, if we do that, that's going to create a cycle, okay? Because it's going to, you can literally go BAC, 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 BAC. Just imagine Kruskal's algorithm is usually used for the national grid and such. So causing a loop in the national grid system is not going to be pretty good, is it? So for Edexcel students, what you need to do, you need to AQA and OCR and MEI can do this as well, but Edexcel needs to cross it out. Okay, you do need to write it, and you need to cross it out and write reject on it, or just an R on it, reject. Okay, it's not imperative that AQA students don't do that, I don't think, but to be on the safe side, do it. So the next one is this one, from B to E. From B to E, and that's 13. So that's 13. We don't haven't created the cycle. Yep. And it would be pretty good if you also mark on where the cycle is, just for you to have a little grasp at what just in case you forget, oh my gosh, why didn't I pick that. The next one is 15 from D to E, so it's that one, D to E, 15. But no, that is not a correct choice, because that is going to create a cycle over here. Okay, you must be very careful in decision maths. So you've got to do that, make a big no-no. And as you can see, we've filled up points F, D, C, A, B, and E. So we don't need that. But for Edexcel students, you've got to write E to F equals 17, cross it out, and then reject it. Press not press R, write R to reject. And then all you need to do to find the minimum spanning tree, you add up, or the minimum weight, you add up the numbers which haven't been rejected. So 1 plus 5, okay, 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 10 is 20, plus 1 is 21, plus 13 is 34, and the MST is going to equal 34. And that's it for Kruskal's algorithm. All you just need to remember is that you can start from anywhere, and anything that makes a cycle you reject, and the MST will also be the same number as Prim's. And that's it.